hurry to go to work, and perhaps that's why you don't have any time to manually pump and feed your baby, yet you want to give them your essence? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Niscomed Electric Breast Pump, perfectly designed for comfortable usage. Let's see what is inside the box. It has a leak-proof and anti-slip bottle, and it has the main unit to which you will connect the various tubes and the USB cable. It also comes with a very detailed instruction manual to enable easy assembling and better usage. It has a food-grade silicone material to ensure the safety and the hygienic conditions for the baby as well as the mother. Begin using the electric breast pump. Simply plug in one end of the USB cable to a power supply and the other end to the main unit of the breast pump. And now we are going to attach one end of this clear tube to the head of the bottle right here. And in case you want additional support for the bottle, you can place it inside this little dock over here. The other end of the tube goes inside the main unit. To use the electric breast pump, place the breast shield over the breast. It should be centered over the nipple and press the power button. It will go through the stimulation and massage phase for 90 seconds each, and the milk expressing will begin thereafter. You can also adjust the suction levels based on your comfort by using the plus or the minus buttons as mentioned on this main unit. Washing the various parts of the bottle is also very easy. Just simply separate all the parts like this, and you can either put it in hot boiling water or sterilize it. And that's it. Once you've pumped the milk, you can just secure it in this leak-proof bottle, and it's portable. Now you can feed your baby anywhere and anytime. This is a Niscomed Electric Breast Pump.